Does anybody remember some of the silly rhymes from your childhood, like back in the 80s and 90s or whatever? And it's like, I can't remember what I did last weekend, but I can remember a silly rhyme that I knew when I was 6 or 7 years old that we passed around in the playground between kids, and it was silly stuff like, do you remember this one? I went to the pictures tomorrow. I got a front seat at the back. A lady gave me a banana. I ate it and gave her it back. Do you remember that? I think there were another one like, what were it? There was a woman from China who went on an ocean liner. She slipped on the deck, twisted her neck, and now she can see out behind her. Who remembers that? I do remember these, but I can't remember last weekend. What did I do? Mad. I just remembered another one. There was a man from Brazil who swallowed a dynamite pill. His heart retired, his bung backfired, and his willy shot over the hill. What did I do last weekend? Mad.